Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the curvature. So now I will show you the technique. We have the formula kt equals to first derivative of t, and we have the cross product second derivative of t, and inside the magnitude of this one denominator we have first derivative of t inside the magnitude, and we have the power 3 in here. Now we need to find first derivative of t. We see that we have I and we have phi sin t. This one you got about phi cosine t, and we have I. This one we have cosine t, so you got about negative number 6 sin t. Try. In here we don't have k, that means about 0. Second derivative of the function, so this one you got about negative phi sin t I. This one you got about negative number 6 cosine t j, and this one number 0 k. Now I will do about numerator. We need to do about the cross product between first and the second. So that should be about, we have the matrix, and that should be about I, j, k. We put about phi cosine t in here. J is about negative 6 sin t. K is about number 0. This one you got about negative number 5 sin t. This one you got about negative 6 cosine t, and number 0 in here. So about I, j, k, we remember that this is about positive, negative, positive. About I, we will have the matrix in here, so that should be about the matrix negative 6 sin t, number 0, and negative 6 cosine t, and we put about I in here. The next one we have the negative, so we have phi cosine t, negative phi sin t, and number 0 in here. And the last one, that's about k. K, we have the positive, and we have phi cosine t minus 6 sin t. We have negative phi sin t and negative 6 cosine t. So this one multiplied with number 0. Later that we have minus 6 cosine t with multiplied with number 0 in here. So this one you got about 0. Similar, this one you got about 0. And the last one, this one you got about 5 cosine t multiplied with this one, you got about negative 30 cosine t squared. Later that, we need to minus negative, negative, you got about positive sine t squared. And we have k. So we do factorization with negative 30. So this one, you got about number 1. So you got about negative 30k. So we have the value in here 0, 0 and negative 30. Now we put everything inside this formula in here. So we need to find the magnitude of this one. So we have the square root. We have number 0, so we have 0 square plus 0 square plus negative 30 square. And this one, we have the square root. First derivative, that's about 5 cosine t. So we have 5 cosine t squared plus we have 6 sine t squared or negative 6 sine t squared plus number 0 square, and everything in here should be about power 3. Now the question they ask at t equals to number 0, so we put t equal to number 0 go in here. That's about this one and this one. So we can got the final answer. On numerator we have 30 squared. On denominator this one we have cos 5 cosine number 0, you got about number 5. This one sine of number 0, you got about 0. So everything in here is 0, 0. And we have the power 3 in here. We put everything inside the calculator and we got the final answer. That's about 6/25. This is the end. Thank you for watching.